Chris King to Marlo Aquino against Kevin Holland. Nilabasan naman kay Chris King. 3-point shot by Chris King! It's good!
Ayan ang sinasabi natin. Chris King is hobbled.
Ayan,
He will not
ka pa rin.
drive. He will not drive. He will just take the 3-point shot on a medium-range jumper.
Kevin Holland sidestep. Oh, there's a block by Marlo Aquino.
A beautiful block. Yan na naman. The great equalizer, the skyscraper.
At libre si Pino. Harencio from the side. 3-point shot.
Partner, siya talaga ang bombero dito sa larong ito.
Benny Cheng attacking the defense of Jojo Lastimosa. Oh, power move by Benny Cheng. Mas kay Jojo Lastimosa, he slips. Dwight Lago, hindi mahawakan ng bola. And he recovers it. Labas ulit kay Jolas, he's open. Lumapit sa loob, sumaksak. Jojo Lastimosa scores! Sa pag-umpisa po ng ating fourth quarter ng Game 2 ng Championship Series, lamang ng siyam ang Gordon's Gin 79-70. And look out, Kinito. I think
Chris King
Chris
is limping.
hobbling. Yes.
He's limping. And they're saying attack the defense because Chris King is limping and hindi nakapasok ng tira.
At
Uy,
hinahawakan niya yung kanyang hita as Berwin Castelo misses. Jojo Lastimosa blocked and fouled from behind. At palagay ko may injury itong si Chris King. Ika-ika at hinahawakan niya yung likod ng kanyang kaliwang hita. At makikita ninyo, ayan, he is hobbling.
hindi natin maintindihan because coming out of a timeout, biglang ito si Chris King.
Nung break nung third and fourth quarter.
Wala naman siya siguro sinabi during the timeout because he checked back in to the game and then he began to hobble, asked to be replaced. At hindi ko naman maintindihan kung bakit hindi nakatawag ng injury timeout. O kaya yung regular timeout, yung Gordons, no? Pinabayaan pa ng Gordons itong Alaska to score.
Pagpasok na Kinito, nahahalata ako ng agad. He was massaging his thigh, no? At medyo ibang timpla ng mukha niya. Anyway, Jojo Lastimosa is at the line for two.
Yes, and in this play, ito.
At
Before that,
si Ms. Kelly Butler, Senior Vice President and General Manager of Programming for ESPN Star Sports, enjoying the game here.
well, alam natin itong mga games, all the games in fact, of the PBA Finals being broadcast over ESPN Star Sports Cable.
Okay, Jojo Lastimosa at the line.
And partner, how important Chris King is for Gordon's Gym because nakita natin since he was rubbed out of the defense kanina, 3 attempts ang Alaska, no?
Tama. At ito si Marlo Aquino, hemmed in again. Johnny Amaretos with the steal. Johnny into the front court. Inaabangan siya ron. Kevin Holland, sidestep. Oh, there's a block by Marlo Aquino.
A beautiful block. Yan na naman. The great equalizer, the skyscraper.
At libre si Pino. Harencio from the side. 3-point shot.
Partner, siya talaga ang bombero dito sa larong ito.
Pangalawang 3-point shot ni Pino Harencio dito po sa larong ito. Jojo Lastimosa with a good front against Marlo Aquino again. And the ball goes out of bounds in favor of Alaska Milk. Marlo Aquino. Talaga namang sinasabi niya na huwag kayong basta-basta papasok dito, titira-tira sa harapan ko.
What a presence sa loob ito si Marlo Aquino, the skyscraper. Ayan po ang scoring by quarters, a big 32-point explosion by Gordons in the second period.
Samantala, meron ng foul na tatawagin doon sa loob as Jojo Lastimosa is again foiled. Si Vince Hizon natatawagan ng kanyang pang-apat na personal foul. At pangalawang team foul ng Gordon's Gin dito po sa fourth and final quarter as you see Chris King being attended to. Tingnan natin kung ano nangyari dito sa maaring dito Ayun, medyo hinawakan na niya kagad yung hita niya and then he started limping.
Partner, that time he didn't take off for the slam dunk. Ang plano yata niya mag-reverse because the clock had already expired.
Tumunog na yung buzzer.
Yes, at umilaw na yung red light.
Hindi naman natin narinig dahil po sa ingay ng mga tao dito mga kaibigan. Ito, watch it in slow-mo. Ito yung take-off niya masama.
Yes.
Masama yung take-off.
You notice the red light. Lakas hindi na. Kanya hindi na nag-take off ito actually hindi na shumut ito si Chris King.
Pero palagay ko Kinito, dahil dun nga sa masamang take-off niya, inabort na rin niya yun plus the fact na wala na rin namang useless na rin naman yun.
Posible, masama din yung kanyang landing.
Okay, narito ngayon si Vince Hizon. 82-73, 9-point lead ngayon para sa Gordon's Gin dito po sa fourth and final quarter. Kinuha na siya binigay kay Noli Locsin. Locsin against Bong Hawkins. Locsin umaatras ngayon. There's the pivot by Noli Locsin. Wilber Ong taking the offensive board. Pero foul na tatawagin sa referee Varela. This one's going to be on Berwin Castelo. Unang personal foul ni Merwin Castelo. Alalahanin po ninyo na unang bumulusok actually itong Alaska Milk dito sa larong ito. They led 4-0. Pagkatapos po sa kalagitnaan ng first quarter, bigla namang rumatsyada ang Gordon's Gin and they've never looked back since. Although we had a few deadlocks, a couple of deadlocks back in the second quarter. Mula po noon umabot na sa 18 puntos dito sa third period. Yung kalamangan ng Gordon's Gin now stands at 9 points. At binibentahan pa rin yung hita ni Chris King. It's heavily bandaged now.
And Dr. Ben Salud supervising the proceedings near the bench of Gordon's Gin. At partner, hindi crabs yun because it looks like a hamstring.
Hamstring
strain
na yan.
of Chris King.
Parang pulled hamstring or something.
Okay,
Johnny
now
Abarientos.
Gordon's playing all Filipino.
Kevin Holland binigay kay Merwin Castelo. Castelo sumaksak sa loob. Yes! 83-75, 8-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin. Meron pa tayong 9 minutes and 48 seconds remaining in this game. Marlo Aquino versus Kevin Holland. Nilabas kay Noli Locsin to Pino Harencio. Harencio inside to Marlo Aquino. Yes! Medyo matagal-tagal na hindi ginagawa ni Marlo Aquino yan dito sa larong ito. The last time he scored was in the second quarter. He only had 2 points there. We have a timeout by Alaska Milk.
LG Audio Video Home Appliances.
9 minutes and 35 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. Early timeout tinawag ng Alaska Milk as Gordon's is up again by 10 points, 85-75. Narito si Johnny Abarientos para sa Alaska Milk. Cross court to Bong Hawkins. Open si Jojo Lastimosa. Nag-alangan. Hesitation there by Jojo Lastimosa. At narito ngayon si Butch Maniego para mag-report about Chris King. Butch?
Maraming salamat, Ed. Alam mo, hindi maganda yung first report tungkol dito kay Chris King. According to Dr. Salud, yung kanyang masakit sa kanyang left leg ay hindi matigas, malambot ito. Kasi kung matigas, cramps lang yan. Pero kung malambot, worst case scenario, a pulled hamstring, he might not be able to return in this game. Yun lang po.
Maraming salamat, Butch. An update on the injury of Chris King na nakita po ninyo kanina. Nakapatong po yung kanyang, ayan, no? Nakapatong yung kanyang kaliwang hita at binti. At iiling-iling si Chris King. Ganun pa man, lamang pa rin ang Gordon's Gin ng siyam. Ngayon ay 8 of the free throws of Jojo Lastimosa. 9 minutes and 22 seconds remaining in the fourth period.
Ito, full court press by Alaska. Partner, pwede na pala tayong maging doktor, ano?
Oo.
Na-diagnose natin yung, yung
Pulled
injury.
hamstring,
Oo, ni Chris King. Ito, hemmed in.
JV Gayoso. Down low to Marlo Aquino. Matras ngayon lamang kay Kevin Holland. Off the glass. Marlo Aquino over Kevin Holland. At si Marlo ngayon, in the absence of Chris King, medyo umiinit na naman.
Yan yata ang nire-reserva ni Marlo Aquino for the stretch run. 2 baskets here for Gordon's Gin, back-to-back.
Johnny Abarientos naman ngayon, lamang kay Vince Season, nalabas kay Bong Hawkins. Hawkins lamang kay Noli Locsin. Big turn there. Pinasa kay Holland. Labas ulit. 3 second violation na naman.
Masyadong masikip sa loob. Yung spacing ng Alaska, that has been a big problem because of the towering, intimidating presence of, sina Marlo Aquino, sina Noli Locsin sa loob.
Meron pa tayong 8 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. 10-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin at 87-77. Noli Locsin to Pino Harencio. Harencio, pumutok din ito sa third quarter.
Ito nga yung bumbero ng Gordon's Gin. Pinapatay niya ang sunog ng Alaska. Here's Pido.
Lumabas kay JV Gayoso. Gayoso, turnaround jumper. Wala. Merwin Castelo para sa rebound. Binigay ngayon kay Johnny Abarientos. 87-77 pa rin 10 ang abante ng Gordon's Gin. Jojo Lastimosa, certainly not the darling of the Gordon's fans. Hawkins creating a situation for himself underneath. 87-79, 8-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin. JV Gayoso in the front court lamang kay Jojo Lastimosa.
Ito, hinaharap na nila si Marlo Aquino. He's now become the first offensive option of Gordon's Gin.
Nagpupwestuhan sila dalawa ni Kevin Holland. Then referee Bartolome will call the foul. Dahil dinidintiinan ni Kevin Holland si Marlo Aquino. That'll be foul number 4 on Kevin Holland. Okay mga kaibigan, Jojo Lastimosa. Nakikita po ninyo sa inyong screens papalabas. And he also waxed hot in the third quarter. Doon po nakahabol ang Alaska Milk dahil po dito sa mga tikada ni Jojo Lastimosa. You saw that first 3-point shot that he hit. Jojo Lastimosa in the third quarter certainly was sizzling. Good assist to Johnny Abarientos there from Jolas, but now they're still down by 8 points at 87-79. 7 minutes and 24 seconds remaining in the ball game. Johnny Abarientos ngayon lamang kay Bal David.
Partner key substitution ang ginawa ni Coach Robert Jaworski. At pumasok si Bal David. Alam niya kasi ito si Marlo Aquino has now become the #1 offensive option and he likes the chemistry between yung kanyang Matt and Jeff combination. Bal David and Marlo Aquino. Now tignan natin if this will work like a charm for Gordon's Gin.
Nolly Locsin biglang pumihit labang kay Kevin Ramos, but this is the closest that Alaska has come to the Gordon's lead. Now down to only 6 points, 87-81, at malayo pa po tayo mga kaibigan. 7 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Samantala naman si Kevin Ramos tinawagan ng kanyang pangalawang personal foul dito sa larong ito. Pareho na po tigatlong team foul ang Gordons at Alaska. Bal David moving against Johnny Abarientos. Meron pick si Marlo Aquino. Bal David goes the other way. Oh! Clutch hit by Bal David!
At partner off balance shot ni Bal David. Gumamit siya ng pick ni Marlo Aquino. Scooted inside the painted area.
At malalaki yung nandun nag-aabang sa kanya as a foul is going to be called on Bal David. Habang dinidikitan niya si Johnny Abarientos. Yan ay pangalawang personal foul ni Bal David in the game as Benny Cheng checks in para kay Vince Hizon. You see the matchup here brought to you by Guard Shampoo between the two imports. At yan po ang sitwasyon ngayon ni Chris King.
Opportunity here for Kevin Holland to pick up his scoring. At nakaupo na si Chris King. Although si Marlo Aquino naman ang dumedepensa ngayon kay Kevin Holland.
All right, we have a 20-second timeout brought to you by Cord Bulldog. At sa ilang sandali po lamang, tingnan natin kung mapapakinggan natin ng huddle.
Right now we're feeling like we're kind of panicking. You have to rush and catch up. That's only 4 stops, fellas. Only 4 stops. We just have to make stops. Let's get organized on our defense and make stops, Come down, get a good basket each way. Don't be in a hurry.
4 stops lang, 4 stops.
Just run one ball. Ball.
Okay, that much is obvious. They need some stops dahil nalalamangan sila ng 8 puntos ng Gordon's Gin. 6 minutes and 39 seconds remaining in the fourth and final period. Alaska in possession.
Partner, yung timeout ni Coach Tim Cohn, he actually didn't give any instructions offensively and defensively. Words of encouragement lamang. Yung
mga
inspirational
reminders,
words. Inspirational words to fire up his boys. At ang kailangan nila just 4 defensive stops.
Samantala, illegal defense ang tatawagin sa Gordon's Gin. I believe this is only the first violation of the rule by Gordon's Gin. So, warning pa lamang yan. Samantala ang ating score, mga kaibigan, 89 para sa Gordons, 81 para sa Alaska. Ang ating oras na nalalabi, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Mayang gabi sa tanan natong mga kaigsunan din ha sa Kabisayan ug sa Mindanao o mausab ng mga Bisaya o mga taga Mindanao ni Adres Manila. Okay, there's a tap out and Bong Hawkins asking for a foul. Di mo ka tinamaan sa muka.
Costello moving out now. Ito, yung mga stats ni Marlo Aquino. Post up, his drives to the basket, ang kanyang block shots, 4 free throws, well, as expected, 1 out of 3, and his points tonight.
Oh, good move by Johnny Abarientos, pero humamol si Bal David. And Nolly Locsin with a big rebound, pero loose ball foul. Well, Johnny Abarientos with a near steal. Si Bong Hawkins ang tinawagan ng kanyang pang-apat na personal foul. 6 minutes and 11 seconds left. Lamang ng 8 ang Gordon's Gin at 89-81.
Coach Robert Jaworski calling out the play from the sidelines. Ito, strongman, 2-man game. Ang anchor nila ngayon, si Nolly Locsin.
Dalawas kay JV Gayoso for the 3. Ayaw. And Kevin Holland has the rebound. Binigay kay Johnny Abarientos off to Dwight Lago. Lago the bounce pass to Bong Hawkins. Hawkins lamang kay Gayoso. Oy. Traveling, yes. No. Medyo na off rhythm doon si Bong Hawkins.
Well, nanggigil doon si Bong Hawkins because alam niya ang kalaban niya sa depensa, ito si JV Gayoso who stands a few inches shorter. Pero
Oo,
maganda rin
yeah.
ang depensa ng Gordons because they collapsed
Oo.
on Hawkins inside.
Hawkins is recalled to the bench.
They're looking for a post-up now with Benny Cheng. Ito na
Benny
si
Cheng
Cheng.
attacking the defense of Jojo Lastimosa. Oh, power move by Benny Cheng. Back to a double-digit advantage para sa Gordon's Gin, 91-81. 5 minutes and 24 seconds left. Jojo Lastimosa is fouled underneath.
And partner, with 5:23 to go in this game, yung rugged physical defense ng Gordon's Gin. Ito, hoping to take its toll on Alaska.
Oh. Well, it's been a big struggle here para sa Alaska Milk. They're down by 10. Remember, coming into this game, they were also down 0-1 in the series. This is a best of 7 para sa Commissioner's Cup for 1997. Jojo Lastimosa delivers on the first free throw and cuts the lead down to 9 points, 91-82. Isa pa para kay Jojo Lastimosa, pinagmamalaki ng Cagayan de Oro at ng Misamis Oriental.
A big night for Jolas.
Oh, he's got a total of 23 points now. That's Jojo Lastimosa. Donnie Locsin, may dala ng bola para sa Gordon's Gym. Binigay kay Benny Cheng. Benny Cheng lamang kay Dwight Lago ngayon. Cheng inching his way inside at merong
Illegal.
illegal defense. Technical yan para sa Alaska Milk. I believe that's the third time that they've been called for illegal D dito po sa larong ito.
Yung defensive adjustment ni Coach Tim Coe, nakita natin kanina, ito si Benny Cheng was backing up on Jojo Lastimosa.
Oh.
At hindi naman kaya yata ni Jojo Lastimosa at depensahan si Benny Cheng on that post-up move. Kanya naman, he has now a switch Lago on Benny Cheng to take care of that post-up move of Benny Cheng.
JV Gayoso connects on the technical free throw. At ang lamang ng Gordon's Gin bumalik sa siyam at 92-83. 5 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. Val David, papunta na naman kay Benny Cheng, lamang kay Dwight Lago. Benny Cheng masyado malakas. Benny Cheng with a tip, with a tap. Pero nakuha ni Johnny Abarientos into the front court. Jojo Lastimosa nakakuha ng pasa. Naiwanan si JV Gayoso, pero malakas ang tira. Lastimosa, dala mo sa rin kay Johnny Abarientos. Medyo nanggigil doon si Jolas. Abarientos lamang kay Val David. Ito na, naiwanan ni Johnny si Val David and the layup is good para sa Alaska Milk. Down to a 7-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin at 92-85. 4.5 minutes remaining.
Partner rin natin incursion, hindi tumulong sa depensa si Marlo Aquino. Could be a sign of fatigue. Bench scoring, napakalaki ng discrepancy. 40 points for Gordons and Alaska with only 8. Going to show that Coach Tim Cohn really relies on a very slim nucleus.
Samantala, napalakas yung tira ni JV Gayoso at ang Alaska ngayon na nasa offensive. Abante ang Gordons ng 7, 92-85.
Ano partner, yung sinasabi ni Coach Tim Cohn that pabor sa Alaska yung long series, yun ang hindi ko maintindihan because they are relying on a slim nucleus comparatively, no?
Samantala mga kaibigan, itong Alaska Milk trying to take advantage of the fact na all-Filipino pa rin po ang Gordon's Gin. Injured si Chris King dito sa pag-umpisa ng fourth quarter. We have a timeout by Jaworski. Alaska Milk is nibbling at the lead of Gordon's Gin. Ngayon po mga kaibigan, 5 na lang ang kabante ng Gordon's Gin at 92-87. At meron pa tayong 3 minutes and 44 seconds to go in the fourth period. Benny Cheng, binigay kay Val David. Ooh! That pass knocked away. At si Chris King po mga kaibigan, kanina naghiyawan yung mga tao, nagpalakpakan yung mga fans ng Gordons nang biglang tumayo. Ito si Chris King from the bench. Pero medyo nilulusen up lang niya yung kanyang injury na ngayon ay tinatanggal yung benda. Val David missing.
Oh, partner, this is only game 2 and this could be a long series. At alam naman siguro ni Coach Robert Jaworski how valuable Chris King is to his lineup.
Tsak na hindi pipilitin yan.
Oo, hindi niya isusugal yan.
Dwight Lago. 5 lang ang lamang ng Gordons. Dwight Lago almost losing that. Pero illegal defense na tatawagin sa referee Bartolome.
And partner, all the more may pressure ngayon for Alaska to win this game because ito si Chris King up. Is not able to check in. Tapos kung matalo pa ang Alaska rito, that will be a double black eye for the Milkmen.
Kung hindi pa rin niya napanood ang pangyayari, nung last second ng third quarter, ay libreng-libre ito si Chris King and he tried to go for a reverse at mukhang masama po yung kanyang take-off. Nung mag-umpisa ang fourth quarter, ay pumasok pa ito. Pero halatang halata na masakit yung kanyang hita. At after a couple of plays, nagpapalit na kaagad ito. At yun nga, inatindi ng mga doktor doon sa bench at binendahan ng gusto yung kanyang kaliwang hita.
Well, partner, every point counts. Pero si
Oo.
Jojo Lastimosa,
Nagbintis.
nagbintis from the free throw line. Ito na si Johnny.
Johnny Abarrientos with a big layup there.
Lumipat na naman.
With 23 points. Pareho na silang dalawa ng production ni Jojo Lastimosa sa gabing ito. 23 puntos pareho. 92-89, tatlo na lang ang abante ng Gordon's Gin with 2 minutes and 56 seconds remaining.
Well, partner, this is where Gordon's Gin is really missing Chris King, no? At ito si Abarrientos is now able to escape
Tama,
and
oo.
penetrate because ito si Kevin Holland is drawing Marlo Aquino away at halos hindi na natin nakikitang nagbibigay ng help defense si Aquino. So, as I mentioned earlier, baka medyo pagod na rin ito si Marlo. I don't think he's even been rested sa larong ito.
Hindi yata, oo. Well, yun ang naging, naging jump off ng Gordon's Gin sa first half. Yung kanilang depensa doon sa loob na talaga naman napakalagkit na hindi makatira ang mga taga-Alaska sa loob at hindi rin pumapasok yung kanilang mga tikada naman sa labas.
Partner,
Samantala,
turnover.
still here by Alaska Milk. Remember, the lead is only 3 points, 92-89. Meron pa tayong 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Jojo Lastimosa nakalibre. Lastimosa, yes! 92-91.
A big comeback here by Alaska.
Remember, Gordon's Gin led by as many as 18 points in this half. Doon sa third quarter kanina, sa umpisa ng third quarter, umabot po ng 18. Ang kalamangan ng Gordon's Gin ngayon, isa na lang. Vince Season, down low to Marlo Aquino. Season is open for the three. Ayaw! And the tap. Merong pito.
And it will be on Marlo Aquino. Hindi, si Benny Cheng
Benny
na
Cheng ang
tawagan.
tinawagan. Pangatlong personal foul at nasa penalty na ang Gordon's Gin. That means free throws. Hoy, naghihiyawan ng mga tao si Chris King. Inaalalayan ni Jaworski as he reports to the officials table. Ano kaya ito, Kenito? Psychological o paano ba ito? Medyo yata nagdidiskusyon pa yung dalawa, yung mag-coach, kung dapat na siya pumasok o hindi.
Well, partner, kung pumasok si Chris King, this will be reminiscent of Willis Reed back when the New York Knicks won the championship. Hobbled si Willis Reed. He was able to play the first few minutes of the game just to fire up his teammates. Tapos he went back to the bench. Ito naman si Chris King. It's going to do the reverse. He will possibly play the last 2 minutes of this game.
Samantala, a couple of very important free throws missed here by Alaska. Kanina kay Jolas, ngayon naman si Dwight Lago, but one in para kay Dwight Lago. At tabla na po tayo at 92 all.
Now, they want to call a timeout para makapasok ito si Chris King. And sure enough, they call it.
Eksakto lang sa last 2 minutes, brought to you by new Premium Dry London Gin, now available in 750 ml. We have this timeout. Eksakto po tayo sa last 2 minutes na laro, brought to you by new Premium Dry London Gin, now available in 750 ml. Ang ating score, 92 all. Gordon's Gin, may tanga ng bola. At pareho na po nasa penalty. Dalawang kapunang ito. 4 seconds on the shot clock. New steal by Bong Hawkins. Merong foul na tatawagin si referee Bartolome on Bong Hawkins. That's going to be number 5 on Rene Hawkins Jr.
Partner,
Pwede
masakit
ba yan?
yun because only 2 seconds were left on the shot clock. Penalty situation ng Alaska. And Noli Locsin will go to the stripe. But partner, ito si Chris King.
Oo,
We
bumalik na.
noticed. Yes, he is back, but I don't think he's 100%. He's far from it.
Oo,
But
panay nga.
yes.
Panay yung yugyug niya doon sa kanyang kaliwang hita. At ngayon patalon-talon si Chris King as Noli Locsin is at the free throw line. Maganda ang shooting ngayon ni Noli from the 4.5 meter line.
Ayan po si Chris King. As you see him trying to limber up in the backcourt.
Oo,
At
yung
partner-
kaliwang hita niya may problema. Pulled hamstring.
If he's feeling pain in that hamstring, I doubt if you'll see him drive in this game.
Oo.
So, sa tingin ko, ang tikada nito ay 3 points o kaya medium range jumper.
Dalawa ang lamang ng Gordon's Gin, 94-92. We have a minute and 41 seconds remaining. Jojo Lastimosa has it para sa Alaska Milk. Narito si Johnny Abarrientos. Binabantay ni Pido Herencio.
Ito, take charge time. At ayun, foul na naman.
Illegal defense.
Okay,
Isa na namang illegal defense ang tatawagin. Oh, yes, ni referee Balyaser. So, another technical free throw. Remember, nagbintis ng dalawang free throw. Kanina ang Alaska, one by Dwight Lago, one by Jojo Lastimosa.
Well, mabigat ito because if Lastimosa scores, and he does, Alaska will still have possession,
Yes.
and the lead has been chopped down to 1.
Just a 1-point lead by Gordon's Gin at 94-93. Meron tayong 1:35 remaining in the ball game. Johnny Barrientos laban kay Pino Harencio. One-on-one situation. Dumating si Marlo Aquino nilabas kay Jojo Lastimosa. He slips. Dwight Lago hindi mahawakan ng bola. And he recovers it. Labas ulit kay Jolas. He's open. Lumapit sa loob. Sumaksak. Jojo Lastimosa scores! At lamang ang Alaska ng isa. 95-94. 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining. Timeout by Gordons. Mga kaibigan, balik po tayo dito sa Araneta Coliseum para sa Game 2 ng Commissioner's Cup Finals. Lamang ng isa ang Alaska, 95-94 with a minute and 19 seconds remaining.
At partner, hinabol ng Alaska to.
Oo.
18 points down. At sila naman ang lamang ngayon, just by 1.
Pino Harencio, nakatingin kay Chris King. Chris King, alalahanin po ninyo, medyo masakit ang hita niya. Marlo Aquino, driving hard against Kevin Holland. Rebound by Noli Locsin. Pero nabitawan niya. At muntik magkaroon ng second motion doon against Jojo Lastimosa. Dahil mukhang may tama si Noli Locsin sa mukha.
At walang tawag ng referee.
Oo.
Locsin came down with the offensive rebound and he lost it to Lastimosa.
Ano nangyari dito? Double dribble? Ano ba ang tinawag? Offensive ano? Isolation play.
Isolation violation
Oh.
because they were trying to isolate on the strong side the players of Alaska beyond that top of the key on the weak side at hindi pa pwede yan.
Oh.
That's a crucial turnover here.
Lamang pa rin ang Alaska ng isa. 42 seconds remaining. Chris King to Marlo Aquino against Kevin Holland. Dilabasan naman kay Chris King. 3-point shot by Chris King! It's good!
Ayan ang sinasabi
Wow!
natin. Chris King is hobbled.
Ayan!
He will not
Ika pa
drive.
rin.
He will not drive. He will just take the 3-point shot or the medium-range jumper.
2-point lead by Gordons.
At
Half a
dapat
minute to go.
Partner, dapat na-anticipate siya ng Alaska. We said it before and it happened.
Whoa, Johnny Abarrientos. Sa ilalim, medyo na-tap out. 9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds. Tatawag ng timeout ang Alaska Milk. Tingnan natin. Is this a 20-second timeout? It's a full timeout. We'll be back. Okay, mga kaibigan. Ito po kaninang nangyari. Pinukol ni Marlo Aquino kay Chris King na naghihintay sa labas. Bagamat masakit pa rin ang hita niyan. Tikada ng 3-point shot. And Gordons is on top by 2, 97-95. 22 seconds remaining sa Alaska bola. 9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Both teams in the penalty. Yan po ang sitwasyon, mga kaibigan.
Partner, heroic effort on the part of Chris King. At
Oo.
ito si Holland, hindi pa nakakapuntos dito sa fourth period.
Johnny Abarrientos comes to the ball. Dilabas kay Jolas. Open for the 3. Ayaw! And Pino Harencio has the rebound. May foul na tatawagin. Let's see.
And partner, what a big gamble on the part of Alaska taking the 3-point shot.
Alalahanin po ninyo, mga kaibigan. Kevin Holland now has 5 personal fouls. And Gordon's on top by 2 at 97-95. Only 15.5 seconds remaining. Nasa penalty po ang dalawang koponan. Nabanggit po natin yan. So 2 shots here para kay Pino Harencio. Na binibulan ka na ngayon ng mga encouraging words ni Vince Hizon.
Partner, kanina nakita natin si Mr. Bear Navarro. Earlier we said that he was missing from the bench. Bumalik na po
Nandiyan na.
si Mr. Navarro.
And Pino Harencio calmly putting the shot in, the free throw in. At mga kaibigan, huwag kayo mawawala. Sa linggo, alas 6 po tayo. Game number 3 of the Commissioner's Cup. Pero ito pa ang ating game number 2. Hindi pa tapos ito. 15.5 seconds. Just a 3-point lead by Gordon's Gin. At meron pa isang free throw para kay Pino Harencio. Ayan, si Chris King, pinalitan na muna. Ayun nga, sinasabi mo, Kinito, talagang heroic yung ginawa na yun ni Chris King. At Pino Harencio. Tumikara na dalawang free throw. Meron tayong timeout ang Alaska Milk. Okay, mga kaibigan. Electric pa rin ang atmosphere dito sa Araneta Coliseum with only 15.5 seconds left. Lamang ang Gordon's Gin ng apat, 99-94 o 99-95. At sa Alaska ang bola, pareho pong nasa penalty ang dalawang koponang ito. Maganda kami po, Pilipinas. Ed Pixon kasama si Kinito Henso para sa Vintage Sports. At Kinito, talaga namang walang umaalis dito sa Araneta Coliseum. Punong-puno pa rin tayo.
Well, marami pa pwede mangyari and Coach Tim Con, pinapasok niya ngayon, dalawang 3-point shooters.
Oo.
Boyet Fernandez at saka si Roel Gomez. Remember, 4 po ang lamang ng Gordon's Gin. Pero partner, let's recall in the
Apat lang,
previous...
hindi apat na po. Apat lang.
Apat lang. Let's recall the previous play of Alaska. Tumikada ng 3-point shot si
Jolas.
George Lastimosa.
Oo.
Penalty situation ng Gordons. They did not elect to drive in and fish for the foul.
Yes.
Yun ang kailangan ng Alaska because they need to stop the clock and go to the stripe and get some points. Hindi nila ginawa yun. They elected to take a low percentage 3-point shot, although it was an open shot.
Oo,
So
open.
you cannot
Libre
fault,
siya nun eh.
you
Oo.
cannot fault George Lastimosa for taking the chance. Ito naman, could
Wow,
be the
Hawkins.
final offensive.
Narito si Johnny Abarretos going for the two-pointer. Kevin Ramos with the offensive rebound pero merong foul na nakita. At pupunta sa free throw line si Kevin Ramos. They're down by 4 points. At ang oras po ay hindi pumapabor sa kanila because we only have 11.7 seconds left. Papasok si Kevin Holland at si Dwight Lago. Habang nag-free throw muna ito si Kevin Ramos. Unang free throw ni Kevin Ramos, medyo malakas.
From the back iron, yan po si Donald
Oo.
Jaworski applauding yung unang mintis ni Kevin Ramos and Robert Jaworski very animated on the sidelines.
Kevin Ramos, isa pa. Pressure-laden free throws here para kay Kevin Ramos. Pumasok ang pangalawa, 99-96 as the count, 11.7 seconds left. Bumalik na po si Kevin Holland at si Dwight Lago. There's the pressing defense by Alaska and the foul given up by Kevin Ramos on Vince Hizon will send Hizon to the line.
Partner, yun ang masakit. Kevin Ramos electing to foul Vince Hizon instead of Wilmer Ong, who is a,
Oh,
well, pwede
Not
natin
as
siguro
good,
masave,
a
but
free
not
throw
as good a
shooter
free throw shooter
as
than Vince
Vince Hizon.
Hizon. Kanya,
Lusot
yun
ka
ang, yun ang mga mental lapses that happen when the game is on the line with just a few seconds to go and pressure starting to seep in. Hindi nila na-foul si Wilmer Ong, who is not as good a free throw shooter. At si Hizon pa nasa stripe ngayon.
Well, pero
si
nagbintis.
Hizon ang nagbintis.
3-point lead by Gordons, 99-96. 10.2 seconds left.
And Coach
Tignan
Tim
natin,
Cone
ha?
asking for a timeout. Whether the shot enters or not, but dapat sila makakuha ng rebound kung
Rebound, oo.
hindi pumasok.
Pero pumasok at timeout nga ang tatawagin ng Alaska Myth. Let's go back to home studios. Back here at the Araneta Coliseum in Cubao, Quezon City, mga kaibigan, with a jam-packed crowd na hindi po tumitinag sa kanilang mga upuan. With only 10.2 seconds remaining, lamang ang Gordons ng apat, 196 sa Alaska ang bola.
Partner, 3-point shooting stats in this game so far. 9 out of 21 ang Gordons, 1 out of 3 ang Alaska. But Alaska has several potent 3-point shooters on the floor,
Nasa
including
loob na naman sila Ruel Gomez at si
oo.
Boyd
Well,
Fernandez.
Gomez, alam natin siya ang PBA 3-point king.
Oo.
Having problems getting the inbound off.
Ayun, Vince Hizon with a steal. Ayan na. Oh, big slam by Vince Hizon. Big steal.
And that will wrap it up.
Oo. Johnny Abarreto strike a 3-point shot. And the ball goes out of bounds in favor of Alaska. Tapos na po ang game number 2 ng championships ng Commissioner's Cup for 1997. Gordon's Gin now on top. 2 wins to none. At ang ating score 102-96. I know a lot of you are wondering kung ano nangyari kay Chris King. Butch Maniego is with him right now. Butch.
Chris, you sat out most of the fourth quarter, but when the team needed you, you came in. How does the leg feel now?
You know, it's about 60%. I felt a little pain when I came in, but you know, I thought we did great there a while in the fourth quarter, but I felt like I could go in and play at least 2-3 minutes, and that's all I wanted to do.
Well, did you have this previous history of hamstring problems?
Actually, this is the first time it ever happened, so I was kind of surprised, but along during the week, it's been giving me some problems, but you know, I really just been trying to massage it, you know, put a little flex all on it and try to work it out, but tonight I pulled it somehow, but I think I'll be able to go on Sunday.
Well, you're up 2-0 here now in the best of 7. You really must like your chances now.
Yeah, it's still a long ways from being over. You know, basketball is a long game. We're up 2-0, which is a nice cushion, and you know, you're able to play relaxed. And I think the pressure right now is on Alaska. They're the ones who have to come out and try to get 2 games from us. But you know, hopefully we can just go ahead and end the thing so it would be over with.
You know you're playing for the most popular team here in the country, and you know you have millions of fans out there. Why don't you talk to them now?
Yeah, you know, the fan support here has been great. Before I even came over here, I knew that, you know, this was the most popular team here, but, you know, the fans have been great. They've been that sixth man for us, and that's been a real good, you know, sign for us.
Okay, thank you very much, Chris. Enjoy the victory.
Thank you.
We're going back to home studios for a while. Well, thank you very much. We're here at playing Coach Sonny Jaworski. Coach, you nearly lost an 18-point lead, and you had to bring Chris King back. How difficult was the decision para ibalik si Chris King?
Well, I'm a player and I know that it could possibly hurt his career, but he was very insistent and I salute him for that.
Well, Coach, now you're leading 2-0. You've never been in this position against Alaska before. How does it feel?
Well, I tell you, I will only feel good if we're there, having finished the conference and winning the games. You know.
Well, Coach, you seem to have a different, more confident team now. Yung experiences in the first 2 times na punta kayo sa finals, do you think it's paying off now?
Of course, you know, the past games, the past losses, the past heartaches are, anything that doesn't kill you will obviously make you stronger. And I think that's what's happening to this group.
Coach, gusto niyo ba tapusin na maaga to?
Basta't ako, I'm a very realistic individual. I look forward to Game 3 on Sunday, and I hope we could work together again so we could give so many people out there rooting for us a nice, enjoyable evening, especially when we win.
Thank you very much, Coach, and congratulations.
Thank you at magandang gabi po. At kamusta po kayo, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao? Salamat po.
Okay, pahinga muna tayo. Babalik tayo after a while.
Well, mga kaibigan, the big crowd here at the Araneta Coliseum expected a cliffhanger of ball game. That's what they got. Gordon's Gin scoring its second win in as many outings dito po sa ating Best of 7 Championship Series over Alaska Milk. And they're looking good.
Definitely looking good. At Ed, dalawa napili natin as co-players
Yes.
of the game. Mga kaibigan, the first of course was Chris King. Nakita na natin
Oo.
yon. His stats flash on your screens. Yung pangalawa po, si Pido Horencio.
Maganda
Scored a
ginawa
total of 18 points, 11 in the second half. Meron siya 2 3-point shots. Yan ang tinuring natin na bumbero sa larong ito because
Oo.
siya talaga ang pumapatay ng sunog that Alaska was trying to stir up throughout the second half.
Hindi na bubomba. Bumbero
Bumbero.
na. Oo. Okay, ang ating namang Hardy Flex building boards, king of the boards para sa larong ito mga kaibigan. Medyo consolation prize para sa Alaska Milk. Kevin Holland did well on rebound, 17. Pero that was not enough to bring Alaska to a W tonight. They will try on Sunday. At sa ngalan po ni Kinito Henson, ako po si Ed Pixon para sa Vintage Sports. Huwag na huwag kayong mawawala sa darating na linggo. Doon po tayo sa Cuneta Astrom at syempre pa dito sa VTV on IBC. Game number 3 of the Championship Series for the 1997 Commissioner's Cup. Alas 6 po ng gabi. Linggo sa Cuneta Astrodome. Magkita-kita po tayo. O sa Ingles, see you around.